All right, so I think it's safe to say the heat is here to stay. And if your AC units are kind of lagging right now, we have a local team that can help you with some TLC.
They sure can. So Bell Plumbing, Heating, Cooling, and Electrical has been serving Denver families since 1926 and offers a variety of high-quality home services all under one roof. This includes a new membership program as well. We want to welcome in the CEO, Tom Tyner, who he's been here so many times now. We love having you in here, Tom.
He's a staple in studio.
I appreciate it.
So Memorial Day now has come and gone. Typically, that's the kickoff to summer. The heat starts to build. Why is preventative maintenance so important, especially with AC?
Well, you know, there's really three big reasons to have your AC looked at ahead of time before you start hitting those 90 degrees. One is you want to stay within your manufacturer's warranty. It's really challenging when we see warranties be unavailable suddenly. The other thing is just efficiency, though, right? Now is the time of year where you can save, you know, significant money if your unit's running as effectively and efficiently as it should. You know, and also it's just beating the rush, right? The last thing you want to do is have that 90-degree day and suddenly, you know, you're warm and every home service provider is backed up.
Right, yeah.
Right?
So what's the typical lifespan of an AC unit?
You know, the average life is about 10 to 12 years.
Okay.
So if you maintain it on an annual basis, you can actually extend the life of that. And given the cost of these units, spending a little bit of money each year so that you make sure you're efficient and you're saving money on your bill, plus having that opportunity to delay that replacement can be a really big cost savings.
Oh, yeah.
So let's talk about that. How do you know if it's a good time to replace or just repair?
Sure. Well, one thing to do is just look at your bills and see if you notice, just pull out one from last year, look at this year. If you notice a big difference, it's time to have a professional look at it.
Because the efficiency's dropping.
Yeah, just a small bit of dust on that wheel can really reduce the efficiency. And beyond that, I'd say any kind of noise, rattling, any of that type of thing is another just sign that it's time to have something looked at.
And you guys have been around since 1926.
We've been
When
around
we
for a
say
long time.
they're a trusted team
Yep.
in the Denver Metro, I mean, come on, it's right there. Tell us about that.
Yeah, I mean, one of the things that makes Bell different is, you know, we're one of the only residential union service providers in town, which means we don't operate on commission. So our technicians are coming into the home and their focus is really to make sure that you have options, you're going to get upfront pricing and have an opportunity to make that decision. There are times where you're getting to the end of life and it may be costly to work on your unit versus making a replacement, and you're going to have that option. And so we only hire individuals that are licensed, that have been with us for 5 years or been in the trade at least for that period of time. And so you know that you're going to end up with a very quality experience from that technician.
Yeah, absolutely.
So let's talk about the membership program. Tell me about that.
Yeah, we've got this amazing membership program, and I would just recommend that, you know, regardless if you're a homeowner, definitely look into a membership program. Bell happens to offer, I think, one of the best in this local market. You know, we offer 20% off of all services. You can have your trip fee waived. We offer this service, frankly, for free. It's only $99 a year, but we offer it for free to first responders, to veterans. We offer it also to those that are fostering children. We just launched something new last week where we are now offering it to Denver area businesses who are interested in adding as an employee benefit. You know, how many times has somebody not been able to come into work because they have a plumbing issue or something? And so it gives you priority scheduling, 10% off of remodel jobs as well. So if you have a kitchen, bath, basement, all of that comes into play in this membership, and it's a very reasonable cost.
Wow. So if there are local business owners watching right now, can they call you up and say, hey, I'm into this?
Please, yeah.
Okay,
That'd be awesome.
Thank you so much for coming in. Lots of good stuff here
I swear
today.
there's nothing you guys don't do.
I know. My
we try to
gosh.
help everybody out.
Hey, you've tried it all out. You've been here since 1926. Hey.
That's right.
All right. Well, thanks for coming in.
Yeah, thanks,
Appreciate
Tom.
it.
We'll see you out on the road sometime.
All right, that sounds great.
All right, well, Bell Plumbing is offering 3 special deals right now. Listen to this. Before June 15th, you can get 100% of your AC tune-up credited back if you add additional services the same day. They're also offering $50 off any service and $500 off a new air conditioner, which is huge. These offers are valid through the end of the month, so hey, get it while you can, right? To learn more about their other services, visit them online. Super easy. bellplumbing.com, or give them a call at 720-477-0771. We want to say thank you to Bell Plumbing, Heating, Cooling, and Electrical, and Remodel for sponsoring that segment.